about the CO to H2 conversion factor. It actually depends on metallicity. How is it taken into account?
So this is a study of David et al. And Genzel. They spend lots of time explaining how difficult it is to get this conversion factor. It's like black magic. So the bottom line is that even if they take the most, the worst possible combinations of these factors, they still have that this must be two different modes of star formation, even in the worst case. What they use conversion factors that depend on, I think, turbulence velocities and things like that, maybe even also metallicity. Yes, it's a very complicated thing.
For metallicity, you can have this and that. If you change metallicity by 1 dex, it will be a factor of 10 difference. Because C units.
Actually, I agree that alpha factor it's a problem, but it seems that still, even with all those problems, you still generally have two different modes of star formation. But they also are aware that the conversion factor is something that is making their analysis tricky.
You mentioned H alpha from IMAX.
Yes.
But you cannot get it with IMAX.
No. H alpha we get it from the narrow band, and then we want to confirm the redshift only by looking at the H beta and oxygen.
The data in UV and H alpha are very nice, but you wanted to go a step further and look at mergers and try to see the timescales of the star formation from the UV and H alpha. And I would like to caution that this may not be as easy because merger timescales are about 100 to 300 megayears, and H alpha timescales are much shorter than that. So another way of looking at the same timescales is by looking at those starburst galaxies, which actually have features that have a timescale which is more comparable to the merger timescales.
Yes, some studies have been done. Dressler study comes to mind. They look at these things. So they was using H delta index. So there is also an alternative way. Although I think this has maybe some edge because we have this 10 million year. So we are very sensitive to these edges of these starburst events. So I think the two methods are perhaps complementary and should be used together.